Greetings from the video. Today I thought I would share with you my favourite ever climb. So I'm stood at the bottom of it now. This is it's called the A635 in Saddleworth. The actual Strava segment is called Sky Road Home First Road. And I mean, I affectionately call it Dovies because it's the side of Duststones Reservoir. I just absolutely love it. So when I first started cycling like 5 years ago, I found it on Strava segments because I just wanted to find any hill of a decent length that I could just go and just practice on getting faster, getting fitter. And this was the one that I found, and I just fell in love with it. It's just stunning, and I just love it. So it's about, I think it's 6.3k, average of 6%, I think. It's got a couple of little kickers at the bottom, about 10%, but I just love it. And I was just so consistent. I would just come back like every single week and just try and get faster on it, try and get a much quicker time. And I still do. This is like still the climb that I want to get a faster time on. And so, yeah, I thought I would just share the beauty of Dovies with you today, because it's such a nice morning, it's really early, and yeah, I just thought I wanted to share, because that's the thing that I would say to you, if you all wanted to get faster on climbs, just pick a climb and just keep going back, day after day, week after week, and just practicing getting faster on there, and yeah, so let's go and see Dovies. So as you can see, it's an absolute belter of a climb. It's just windy and the gradient's really nice, and then you get this view at the top, so you can see now why I heart Dovies so much, and it's my favourite climb. So when I first started out, I would be coming back here week after week just to try and get a faster time on the segment, because I wanted to kind of push my way up the leaderboard on Strava, and I had the goal, and I still have the goal, that I want to be QOM of this climb because it is just my absolute favourite. This is the only QOM that I really want. I'm still about 2 minutes off it, but I've not done an effort up here for about 1.5 years, so I feel like I'm definitely overdue an absolute smash fest up here. So I'm working with Strava on this video because they've recently released local legends, which is brilliant because it's just another way that you can kind of claim your favourite climb or your favourite segment. And basically how it works is you just have to be consistent. You don't have to be the fastest, but it's on like a rolling 90-day period where as long as you have ridden that climb or segment the most, you will become the local legend. So I've got my work cut out for me. I'm going to have to keep coming back and climbing this climb because I actually want to be QOM and local legend. So yeah, I want Duststones just all to myself. I just love it so much. Also let me know in the comments which climb or which segment you really want to go after, either for QOM or the local legend status. So yeah, I will see you next video. Hang on, there's a bloody car coming. It's not a car, what the hell is this? It's a bloody golf buggy. This is really hurting my bum sitting on here. God, I forgot what we were going to say. Are you wanting to get back in the car? No. Sorry, are you sure? We can shift out of the way. There's cars everywhere. What is going on? Why am I saying greetings? We've already done the start.